Hello and welcome to WealthMind. Today, we are not just talking about an idea. We are building a complete, functioning business from scratch. Imagine a side hustle that combines breathtaking art, cutting-edge artificial intelligence, and a fully automated e-commerce system. A business that could realistically add an extra $1,000 to your monthly income without you ever having to package a box or ship a product. This isn't a fantasy. This is the new reality of print on demand, supercharged by AI. In this detailed step-by-step guide, I will walk you through every single click and every decision needed to launch your own AI-powered art store. We will cover finding a profitable niche, generating stunning visuals with AI, setting up your automated storefront, and optimizing your products to attract buyers. By the end of this video, you will have a complete blueprint. There are no secrets here, only a clear path to your first sale. Let's begin. Chapter 1: The Golden Niche. Before we create a single image, we must tackle the most critical step of all, finding a profitable niche. Most people fail right here. They create generic art that gets lost in a sea of millions of other products. We are not going to do that. Our strategy is to be a big fish in a small pond. We need to find a specific audience with a clear passion and serve them with art they cannot find anywhere else. So, how do we find this golden niche? We use the platforms themselves as our guide. Open up a marketplace like Etsy or Redbubble and start searching like a customer. Don't just search for cat poster. Search for cyberpunk cat poster or minimalist cat line art. Pay attention to the number of results. If you find a search term that has thousands of competitors, it's too saturated. We are looking for the opposite. We want to find terms with a few hundred results, but where the existing products are, well, not very good. This is our opportunity. Let's create a tangible example that we'll follow for this entire tutorial. After some research, let's say we've discovered a promising niche. Solar punk cityscape posters. It's futuristic, it's optimistic, and it has a dedicated but underserved fan base. The existing posters are generic. We can do better. We now have our target. We know who we are creating for. This single decision will guide all of our creative choices and make our marketing 10 times more effective. Do not skip this research. It is the foundation of your entire business. Chapter 2: Becoming an AI artist. Now for the magic. We are going to create our unique, high-quality art without needing years of artistic training. Our tool of choice will be an AI image generator like Midjourney or Leonardo AI. For this guide, we'll focus on the principles that apply to both. The core skill you need to develop is writing effective prompts. A prompt is your instruction to the AI. A simple prompt like Solar Punk City will give you a simple, generic image. We need to be far more descriptive. We need to feed the AI with details to get a masterpiece in return. Let's write a prompt for our niche. Something like a vibrant solar punk cityscape poster, hyper-detailed, towering eco-skyscrapers with cascading waterfalls, flying ships powered by solar sails, intricate bridges connecting buildings, cinematic lighting, golden hour, style of Studio Ghibli and Moebius, 4K, ultra-detailed. Do you see the difference? We added context, style references, lighting details, and desired quality. This is how you guide the AI from creating a simple picture to generating a piece of art. Generate at least 4 or 5 variations of your idea. The AI will give you different interpretations. Choose the one that looks the most compelling and professional. Once you have an image you love, the process isn't over. Most AI art is generated at a relatively low resolution, which is not suitable for printing. We must perform a crucial step called upscaling. This uses another AI tool, many are available for free online, to intelligently increase the resolution and detail of your image, making it crisp and clear when printed on a large poster or a t-shirt. Never try to sell a low-resolution image. It will result in unhappy customers and bad reviews. After upscaling, your digital artwork is officially ready for sale. Chapter 3: Building your automated factory. You have the art. Now, we need to build the system that will sell it for you 24 hours a day. This is our automated factory, and it has 2 key components: a print-on-demand supplier and a marketplace. Our supplier will be a service like Printify. Think of them as the factory floor. They have all the products, the posters, the mugs, the t-shirts, and all the printing equipment. You sign up for a free account. This is a very straightforward process. Once you are inside, you can browse their product catalog. Let's select a premium custom matte poster. Now you upload your upscaled AI artwork directly onto that poster. Printify's interface will let you position it, resize it, and see a realistic 3D mock-up of what the final product will look like. This is where you set your price. Printify will show you their base cost for producing the poster. You then add your profit margin on top. A good rule of thumb is to aim for a 40 to 50% profit margin. Next, we need our storefront. This is the marketplace where customers will find our product. We will use Etsy. Etsy has a massive, built-in audience of people actively looking to buy unique, creative products. Create your Etsy seller account. This may require some personal information and a small setup fee, but it is your gateway to millions of buyers. The final step is the most beautiful one. Inside Printify, there is a simple button that says Connect Store. You will authorize Printify to connect to your new Etsy shop. From this moment on, the two systems are linked. Your automated factory is now online. Chapter 4, the perfect listing. Your factory is built, but now we need to attract customers. We do this by creating a perfect product listing. A great listing does two things. It gets discovered by the Etsy algorithm, and it convinces a human to click buy. We will start with the visuals. Printify will generate a set of professional mock-up images for you, showing your poster in various room settings. These are good, but you can do better by choosing the ones that best fit the aesthetic of your niche. Next, the title and description. This is where we use AI once more. We will use ChatGPT as our expert copywriter. We will give it a prompt like this: act as an expert Etsy seller. Write a compelling, SEO-optimized title and a 5-paragraph description for a poster. The poster's niche is solar punk cityscape. The tone should be inspiring and slightly futuristic. Include keywords like sci-fi wall art, futuristic home decor, and optimistic art print. ChatGPT will produce a fantastic draft. Your job is to review it, tweak it to your liking, and paste it into your Etsy listing. Finally, the tags. Tags are the keywords that Etsy's search engine uses to categorize your product. You get 13 tags. Use all of them. Think like a customer. What words would they type to find your poster? Solar punk art, eco-futurism, sci-fi poster, hopeful art, gift for architect. Use a mix of broad and specific terms. Once your title, description, mock-ups, and tags are in place, you hit the Publish button in Printify. Because your stores are connected, Printify automatically sends all of this information to Etsy, creating the listing for you. You have now officially launched your first product. Conclusion: your turn to build. Let's pause and look at what we've accomplished. We went from a simple idea to a live, sellable product in a global marketplace. We found a unique niche, generated world-class art using artificial intelligence, built an automated production system that requires no inventory, and optimized our product to be discovered by millions. When an order comes in on Etsy, Printify is automatically notified. They will print the poster, package it, and ship it directly to your customer. You don't have to do anything. You will simply see the profit appear in your account. This is the power of the system you have just built. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, a willingness to experiment, and a good eye for what makes a design compelling. But the barrier to entry has never been lower. The tools are here, the platforms are ready, the knowledge is now yours. You have the complete blueprint. Your turn to build. Thank you for joining us at WealthMind. If you found this guide valuable, subscribe for more deep dives into the future of wealth creation. Now, go open that first tab and start your research. Your first sale is waiting.